Okay, this should be something we haven't seen before. Well, I haven't seen before. I had no 4x4 and pyramid cubes when I was growing up, but now I've seen some of my English students playing with these all the time. What is that? That's no speed cube. That's not going anywhere fast. What the hell? Okay, this box. I suppose it doesn't really matter what this box is. It matters what the inside box is. More you. Why do I have more you? Did my assistant go and order a more you cube? No, it's not. It's a QiYi inside. Why did? What? Oh, I don't know. Could Moyu and QiYi be made in the same company? That's odd. This one here is definitely QiYi. There you go, I've got the pyramid. What is all this stuff? Why give me all this stuff? What is this for? There's a 4x4. Little lubricant container. I wonder if that's the kind of thing that the client is after. So now I've got these. So, Matt, you'll have to tell me if that's the lubricant you're looking for, because it seems like I should be able to get hold of these. Okay, on to that's a holder for cube holder. Cool. I don't know. Why would they give me more cube holders on QiYi cubes? Mysteries abound these days. Okay. So, let's have a look at this pyramid. 7.1 centimeters. Let's say 7. 7 by 7. And it's 100 grams. 100 grams. I won't count the top, because I imagine if you're packing it, you can simply pack them like that, and this won't interfere with the box. Not too much, at least, if you've got a half-intelligent person packing the box. This must be the, oh no, an A. Something Ming, some Ming A. What does QiYi? But the description is all in Chinese. Unit 153. Okay. So if you have any idea what the A would stand for, there must be some name. Yeah, cool. Nice and clicky. These ones have a nice positive reset. They go into place. So they at least have a retainer somehow that stops them from over traveling. Well, not too easily. Cool. Each side of the pyramid is 9.5 centimeters long. Well, she's nice. I'll keep hold of these and let my students play with them. They're, let me see. Are these stickers on here? Maybe. They're fairly well attached, as they should be. I would say they're stickers. Yeah. So this is the QiYi black. I kind of like the black ones. They kind of just look more classic to me. Okay, where's the other one? And this is the 4x4. It's 6.5 on the side. Wow. And it weighs 160, the heaviest of them all. 160 grams. So this is obviously a black. It doesn't have any, it's got the Chinese here. Oh well, my assistant is still away today. She's in the wars. Well, at least so she says. The other day she was swearing she was going to die. Okay. Here's a 4x4. Nice little instruction packet. A little bit more resistance to movement than the other ones, but I imagine the 4x4s are more for interest's sake rather than actual speed competition. But I imagine a drop of lubricant and everything goes a lot faster. I don't know if you can see it, but there's these QiYi have like a sphere in the middle that can take the lubricant onto them, and all the internal mechanism can be lubricated that way. Cool. This one doesn't have so much of a positive it doesn't have that overturn protection like that cube does, or that pyramid does, but yeah, they're cool. She's heavy, 160 grams. If you hit someone with it, they'd know about it. Well, I suppose having twice the number of actual little cubes inside of it increases the number of mechanisms, and it's very solid, this one. More like the Rubik's cubes I used to know back from the 80s. Oh well, there we go. On to the t-shirt.